सो दिस इज चार्ट ऑफ टॉरस असेंडेंट। यहाँ पे 2 नंबर राशि है, टॉरस असेंडेंट का चार्ट है। देन इन टॉरस असेंडेंट चार्ट, जुपिटर विल ट्रांजिट इन थर्ड हाउस in Cancer sign. So Jupiter is exalted in Cancer sign. Since it is transiting in third house, so it will be exalted in third house from 18th of October. And for Taurus ascendant people, it will increase courage, since third house is house of courage, communication. So you will feel better in communication and your courage will increase. You will become hardworking in this phase. Uh, and since third house is house of younger siblings, your relation with younger siblings will improve. Third house also represent your self effort. So the thing you are not doing now, till now you will have confidence of doing from 18th of October. You will feel uh, quite comfortable taking initiative. And since third house is also uh, of free will, then you will do the things whatever you like. You will have courage, hard work. So from here, from third house, Jupiter's aspect will be on seventh house. So here, if there is a seventh house is house of partnership, marriage, and it is also house of uh, means what society perceive you. So here, due to aspects, Jupiter will uh, if anybody is going to marry or any partnership, so the thing will be improved. And people in business also, Jupiter will help to have good business. From here, the seventh aspect of Jupiter will be on ninth house. So ninth house is a house of uh, is father, spirituality, higher learning, luck also. And since Jupiter's seventh aspect is, since this 10 number Rasi of Jupiter is the debilitation Rasi, that is Capricorn. Jupiter is debilitated in Capricorn. So here it will be okay type result, not so good. It will be okay. Whatever you will do, you will get, and it will be okay type. Again, the ninth aspect of the Jupiter. So ninth aspect of Jupiter is on 11th house. It is here 12. It is 11th house. So 12 number Rasi Lord is Jupiter. So from third house, Jupiter is aspecting its own house. So for Taurus ascendant people, gain will increase. Your friend circle will expand. You will have good friends now. And here already Saturn has transited in your 11th house. So both Jupiter and Saturn will give 11th house result, and now you will be have the double effect of 11th house activation. You will feel around that 11th house, things will be more prominent in your day-to-day life. And here now the, so 11th house is also house of gains. So if some projects are going on or something, you will gain from this, your work. And you also have financial gain, means anything gain, means financial gain or any type of gain. Then next there is Jupiter, which house Jupiter is ruling, that also will be activated in these transit, and that result also be a changed result. That is, Jupiter is the lord of house of gain, that is Pisces. So it is exalted here. in third house. So by your self effort you will gain lot of things. So gain is prominent in your chart now, you will surely gain. Uh, and it also depends on your natal chart, but transit have in out of 10% to 3% effect transit have. So during that if you are going this Jupiter dasa under dasha, then surely you will gain because it is going to be exalted. Then it is eighth house. Eighth house is a house of occult, sudden gains, means sudden things. So sudden things may happen, and since eighth house is also house of obstacle, then some obstacles will be there. But since your 11th house is Lord is going to be exalted, so you will gain more whatever. If you're not gaining till now, then this is the time when you will gain. And if you're running through the of Jupiter or under the of Jupiter, you will surely gain. And combining the transit of Rahu, Ketu and Saturn, it will give a type of permutation, and this type of combination will occur, and you will gain, or you will get definite good result when Jupiter is exalted. And it also depend on the dasa you are running. That is Jupiter dasa. If you are running, then it is well and good. And Jupiter, how Jupiter were placed in your natal chart. But transit is somewhere going to be good for you, and since it has 20-30% effect, then also it will feel you better, uh, and it is going to give you good result, and good gains are expected in your chart. Good gain, good partnership, good luck, everything is going to be uh, fine. And the weak one to have to take care, but overall the things are going better since Jupiter is going to be exalted. So ga- so things will improve. So these are all analysis of Jupiter transit for Taurus ascendant.